In this video, I will demonstrate how to password protect a Microsoft Word document using the Python library win32com. Let me start by opening our working document to show you what you should expect from a non-password protected document. It opens as normal, nothing too special here. We can see the doc contains some sample text. Currently, I can see the text because this document is not password protected. The next time I open this doc, we should be unable to see anything and instead be prompted to enter a password. I start off by importing win32com.client as win32. This is the client that allows me to work with the application on a Windows device. This method of adding a password for a Word document will not work on an Apple machine, as this library is Windows specific. I am also importing the OS library, as I will need to collect the working directory in which my testing document exists, and the best way to do this is with the OS library. The method I am about to demonstrate to you is going to look very similar to the process of password protecting an Excel document. I've outlined how to do that in another video, which you can view by clicking the link at the top or the link in the descriptions below. There are some slight modifications to how we operate when working with Word versus Excel, which is what I will now outline. Here we start the Word application behind the scenes. I use the Win32's attribute gen cache and the ensure dispatch function on top of it. To this function, I pass as a string word.application. This line of code initializes the Word object. I save that Word object as the Word doc variable right here. Next, I open that document. I do that by first capturing as the variable doc to open the location of my document. I use the get current working directory on the OS library to collect where the Word doc exists. Over here on the left, you can see my test Word document is in the same directory as the Jupyter notebook that I'm working in. So all I have to do is collect the current working directory and add the specific file name to that string. Next, I'm going to open the document with this line of code, worddoc.document.open, and pass that the location of my Word document. This opens the document in memory, and I'll be assigning it the test document variable. This next line of code is very straightforward. The application that I have opened has a password attribute. To that attribute, I can pass a string of text, which I'm going to do right here as example pass. This will be the password that I can enter to unlock my Word document. To finish the process, I call the test document and save it with the save function. I then close the document with the close function and quit the application with the quit function on my Word application object. I'll execute this now and attempt to open our Word document. Here you can see that the application does open, but an input prompt opens along with it. It states that the document is protected and it's asking me for a password. Let me enter the example pass password that I made in Python. Successfully entering the password, I can now see the document is unlocked and I can read the text. So it's quite simple. Initialize the Word application, open the document with the documents.open function, and assign a password with the passwords attribute. Then save, close, and quit your document and the application. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if this was a helpful and informative video. Do give it a thumbs up as it really does help others find this content, and don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.